Hey guys, so yesterday we arrived in Nice with this one. Yesterday we explored Nice. We went to the old town, we went for some dinner, some drinks. Today we're going to Eze, which is, what's Eze, Alice?
Eze, I believe, is a little medieval village on top of a hill next to the old town, and you get a really beautiful viewpoint over the Riviera from there. I think you can see all the way to Cannes on a clear day.
Amazing. Tomorrow I turn 30. So we're going to be going to Cannes tomorrow to celebrate, so you'll see that. This is our beautiful room. We've got blue walls, which, funnily enough, the wallpaper isn't wallpaper, it's like material. So that's a weird one, isn't it? We've got art on the walls. There's a bit of art over there, can you see? A bit of art here. This place is full of art, so it's like a museum. It's amazing. The hotel's called the Negresco. We're trying to speak French, but not really working out.
Ah, pardon, oui, oui.
Guys, so we are in the flower market in Nice. We're just looking at some lovely spices. I don't know if you can see back there all of the flowers. It's such a beautiful place. It's absolutely amazing here. It's so cool and it's sunny. So we're walking along this beautiful street in Nice, our way to Eze, and I just got crapped on by a bird, which is perfect. Apparently it's good luck. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. So this place is absolutely beautiful. We're walking up these really quite steep stairs to Eze, and the buildings, I don't know if you can see, are they're just really pretty. They're like a postcard all the time. So I'm going to see how fit I am to get up these stairs, because these stairs are very steep. We've come that far already. So here we go. So after getting lost for ages in Nice trying to find our way to Eze, we made it to the port with all these amazing boats. There's a massive one just there. Let's see if you can see it. So we're going to get some food and then hopefully try and grab a taxi and make our way to Eze, however you pronounce it, because we stood for 45 minutes waiting for a bus that didn't show up, and no one was really helpful to get us there. But the boats here are incredible. It's really sunny up here, but I just wanted to show you the view. So I'm not sure if you can see down there. You can see the whole harbour, and then through here is the beautiful view. Not sure if that's showing up on camera, but it's absolutely stunning. So I know I've already said this, but we are in Eze. It's a medieval village. It's a hilltop village. We've walked up quite a few stairs and quite high hills. Some of the sights here is just amazing. You can't, I say amazing a lot, but which doesn't really give this justice. But look at that. It's just so pretty. And then this behind me, it's just amazing. I've said it again. Hey guys, okay, so we've just got the train from Nice to Cannes, one of my favourite places. We're just walking along the beach parallel to the Croisette, which is up there. The sea is looking absolutely stunning today. Look how blue it is. It just looks perfect. It's actually my 30th birthday today. I'm 30. What the hell? So we're gonna walk along, we're gonna go for a drink, I think, get something to eat. Alice is actually wearing tights and a skirt today, and the sun is out. She's not wearing the best outfit, but you know, she looks gorgeous anyway. So So we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go to the Ritz-Carlton for something to eat, something to drink. I don't know why I'm talking so posh. That's not my accent at all. Ha! Right, so we're gonna go to don't know if you can see over there, let me turn around. That one with those big pillars or piles or whatever they're called. That is the Ritz-Carlton, that's where I stayed when I was last here. The sea is getting very close to my feet and I have shoes on, so I'm going to put the phone down and see you in a bit. So we have just sat down to have a cocktail on the beach. We've done a lot of walking this holiday and we thought we'd better have a rest to get some nice suntan. As you can see, Alice is very ready for a suntan.
I'm cold.
She's cold. I don't know how, it's lovely and warm. But we're sitting here, we're gonna have a drink and then we're gonna have a little wander and then maybe get some food later and then head back to the Negresco in Nice. Hey guys, okay, so it's raining today, so we've come up to the Russian Orthodox Cathedral. The story behind it is the Russian that built it liked Nice so much that they decided to build a cathedral of worship. The person that built it actually commissioned the chandelier in the Negresco. He was going to take it back, and that was the Tsar Nicholas. But because of the revolution, he didn't have a chance to take it back, so he donated it to the Negresco, and that's why the chandelier is there. This is the last lift trip we are going to take.
I'm so sad, I don't want to leave.
But it's been so good.
So
Last day
fun.
and it's raining, but who cares?
We are only off to the airport anyway.
And we're probably going to go back to England where it's raining anyway.
No.